Hey guys, welcome to a brand new year of Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we love you and we thank you so much for your support.
To start off the new year, we're going to show you 5 basic braids. So let's get started.
To make it simple, I'm going to show you how to do each braid on a low ponytail. The first braid is going to be a 2-strand rope twist. You're going to split this ponytail into 2 equal parts. You're going to take the right strand and twist the strand to the right. Then you're going to take that right strand and cross over to the left strand, just like that. So you just cross it over. Hold this in position though, this right here, hold that into position. Now you're going to take this right strand that was the left strand and you're going to twist it to the right. And now you're going to take that right strand and cross over to the left. That's all there is to it with this 2-strand. So you're going to twist this side here to the right. And then you're going to take that right strand and cross over to the left. Now, the easier way for me to do it, and maybe for you too, is you just take your finger and you wrap it like this, and then twist. Or you could do it this way, and then twist. Either way it works. As long as one side is twisted and you're turning the other side the opposite. This is so simple and very quick to do if you're in a rush. I have some other styles of this rope twist that you could watch. You can click right there. Just secure it off with an elastic band. And then this style will stay in place without unraveling. The next style I'm going to show you is another 2-strand braid, which is called a fishtail. So you want to split this ponytail in half in equal parts. Now you have 2 strands right here. And you're going to take the outside of this strand here, the left strand, just a small piece, and bring it on over here to the other side and combine it with that side here. Now you're going to take the outside of the right strand and bring it over to the left strand. And that's all there is to it. So here again, the outside of the left strand, and you cross it over and bring it to the right. Take the outside right strand, cross it over and bring it to the left strand. And this is all repeated until the end. If you take smaller sections on the outside, you'll create a micro braid effect. And if you take a fatter section, you'll have more of a thicker fishtail look. Now fishtails do take a long time if you take smaller sections, so I prefer to take larger chunks. And that's it. You're just taking 2 strands from each side and crossing it over. I started by using smaller strands in the beginning so that you could see how micro effect it gives, and now I'm doing thicker strands at the end, and you can see a difference. And there's 2 strand, which is called a fishtail. See how I used the smaller strands up here on each side? It gave it a nice micro effect, and then I went down even more and got bigger chunks, and this is how it would look with bigger chunks, from smaller sections to bigger sections. The next style is the most basic braid, which is the 3-strand braid. You're going to split this into 3 equal sections. Okay, so now you have 3 equal sections. You're going to take the right strand over this middle, right like this, hold on to it. Take the left strand over the next strand, which is the middle strand, bring it over. Now you have this. And all this is you're taking the outside of each strand and bringing it into the middle. So take the right strand over the middle, take the left strand over the middle, and that's it. For those who are having trouble holding strands, dedicate your fingers to each of those strands. So I have them like this, and I'll just cross it over. Take your middle finger and grab it. Hold your strand fully with your full hands. Now you take this, cross over, and now you're taking your middle finger and you're grabbing it. Take your hand, your left hand, and grab the whole entire section. Now you have it like this. Again, the right strand, bring it over, and you bring your middle finger right through and hold it. And take the whole entire hand with the strand. That's all there is to it. Again, cross over, put your middle finger between those strands, hold on to it with your middle finger, and you hold the whole entire strand with your whole left hand. That's it. And you just continue all the way down to the end. And there's your basic 3-strand braid. This next style is a 4-strand braid. Okay, so you're going to split the ponytail in half in equal parts. Now you're going to take one side and you're going to split that side into 2 equal parts. Bring that forward. Now you're going to take the other side, the left side, and then you're going to split this into 2 equal parts. That way you'll have 4 equal parts. Okay, so now you have 4 equal strands. I'm going to call this 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you take number 1 and go over number 2. Make sure you use your fingers to separate the strands. Okay, now you're going to take number 4 strand here and go under number 3. So you're going to take this, go under that. Now you'll have this one and this one. You're going to cross over just like this. Again, you're going to take number 1 strand, you're going to go over number 2. 1 over 2. Position your fingers. You can let these go because they're going to be separated anyways. Now you're going to take number 4 and go under number 3. So go under number 3. And now you have these 2 here, and you're going to cross them over together. That's it. So basically, this side here will go over, this side here will go under. And once you get into the middle, you're going to crisscross. So again, go over. Then you're going to take this outside, number 4, and go under number 3. And then you're going to crisscross these guys together. That's all there is to it. And there you have a 4-strand braid. The last style is a 5-strand braid. You want to go ahead and separate these into 5 equal parts. Try to make them so they're all equal with each other. So now you got 5 equal parts. I'm going to call them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where number 1 is going to be on the left and number 5 is going to be on the right. So you're going to take number 5 on the right, you're going to go over number 4. So make sure that you position your fingers so they separate the strands. So you're going to go over number 4. You go under number 3. That's all there is to it on that side. Now you're going to go number 1. You're going to go over number 2 and under number 3. That's it. Position your fingers. Again, you're going to take number 5 strand and go over number 4. And go under number 3. Going to take number 1 and go over number 2. Go over number 2 and go under number 3. And that's it. So you'll have on every time that you do a stitch, each side will have 2 and then 3. So basically if you look at it, I mean you could disregard 2 of these and pretend that you just have 3 strands. So when you do that, you're just basically doing your 3-strand braid. So go over and then under. That's your braid. Okay, now you got this side. Now grab those 2 right here and pretend that that's not even there. Now you have 3 strands, okay? Now you have 3 strands on this side. So you're just going to do a braid over and then bring that under. So now you got this side, 2 strands. Now this side is going to be the 2 and the other side is going to be the 3. And that's how I remember the 5-strand, where the 2 all hold together and then these guys, the 3, and you're just basically doing a braid. So over this one and under that one. Now you hold just these 2 strands and that's it. Now this guy's have 3 strands. That's all there is to it. So over, under, and then you have this. And then you just keep continuing all the way down. Go back over and just stretch it out. And this is the 5-strand braid. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know of any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below. We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. To watch more of our videos, click on over there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!
Bye! Happy New Year, everyone!